Pranam dear student. In this session we are going to learn about addition of number with decimals. Means we have to add the number with decimal signs or the number which are in decimal form. Now let us understood how to add decimals number. Let me take one example. For example, 25.398 plus 38.56 plus 53.7. Now this is the number 29.398, 38.56 and 53.7. The two way are there. So first if we are adding, then it will be 25.398. The first method is either we have to keep this point in one line only. When we are adding it, we need to keep this point in one line, 38.56, then 53.7, and then we need to add it. So here 8 alone is there, so 8, then 9 plus 6, that is 15, so 1, 5 here, 1 here, 4 plus 9 plus 7 means 16. Here it will be 0.6 here, 1 here, 5 plus 1 6 plus 8 14 plus 3 17, 7 here, 1 here, 3 plus 3 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. So answer is 117.658. Another method is, let us convert it into the like decimal. So when we convert it into the like decimal means the number which has the same number of digit after decimal point. So we have to find out that here 3 digit is there, here 2 digit is there, and here 1 digit is there. So we can put 1 0 here, 2 0 here. Now they are in like decimal. So again 25.398, 38.560 plus 53.700, and then we need to add it. So 8 plus 0 is 8, 9 plus 6 is 15, 5 here, 1 here, 4 plus 5 9 plus 7 is 16, 6 plus 8 14 plus 3 17, so 7 decimal point will be here, then 3 plus 3 6 plus 11, so 117,658. Both the answer is same, but don't be confused. Suppose if it is 193.58 and plus 7.693. Now here when we are adding, so first we will do this 0. Now 193.580. now this 7 will become here only. The decimal point should be always in a straight line. Then 693, this will be equal to 0 plus 3 3, 8 plus 9 is 7, 6 plus 6 12, point here 10 plus 11 0 2. So we need to keep in mind this, always this decimal point should be in a straight लाइन. डेसिमल पॉइंट हमेशा स्ट्रेट लाइन में आना चाहिए. ये नंबर यहाँ पे 3 हो, 4 हो, 5 हो, ये नंबर उसके हिसाब से लिखना है कि डेसिमल पॉइंट स्ट्रेट लाइन में आए. हियर यू कैन ऐड 0 0 ऑल्सो टू कीप द डेसिमल पॉइंट इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. नाउ लेट अस सी एक्सरसाइज 8.5. Exercise 8.5. Exercise 8.5. Let us see question number A. Question number first is find the sum in each of the following. Here A is 0.007 plus 8.5 plus 30.08. Now here first we need to convert it into the like fraction, then it will be 0.007 here. After decimal point 3 digit is there, so here also we need to do that 8.500 plus here again 30.080. So in this way we can first convert it into like fraction. Now addition. So when we add it, 0.007 plus 8.500 plus 30.080. So in this way we can add it. So it will be 7 plus 0 plus 0, 7, 0 plus 0 plus 8. So 8, here it will be 5, then 8 plus 0 is 8, 3. So answer is 38.587. Now let us see question number D. Question number D is 25.65 plus 9.005 plus 3.7. So first we need to convert it. So this will be 25.650 plus 9.005 plus 3.700. So when we add it, it will be 25.650 9.005 plus 3.700. So it is 5, 6 plus 7, 13, 1, 15 plus 18, 3. So this will be the answer again, 38.355. Now let us see F1. In F1 it is 280.69 plus 25.2 plus 38. Now first when we convert it into like, then it will be here 2 is there, so there, then 0.00. Now when we add it, 280.69 plus 25.20 plus 38.00. So this will be 9 plus 0 plus 0. So 9, 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 5 plus 8 is 3. 13 means 3 here. 10 plus 14, 2 here. 343.89. So in this way we can do this addition. Now let us do the word problem. In word problem, let us do the question number 2. Question number 2 says that Rashid spent rupees 35.75 for maths book and rupees 32.60 for science book. Find the total amount spent by Rashid. So here it will be amount spent on maths book is equal to given rupees 35.75, then amount spent on science book, is equal to rupees 32.60. So therefore we can say that total amount spent is equal to rupees 35.75 plus rupees 32.60. So we need to add it. So we just add it, 35.75 plus 32.60. So 5 plus 0 is equal to 5, 7 plus 6, so 13, 3 here, 1, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 2, 8, 3 plus 3, 8. So it is equal to rupees 68.35. So the amount spent on, total amount spent is equal to 68.35. So we can write that. So the total amount spent by Rashid is rupees 68.35. Now let us see question number 4. Question number 4 is Nasreen brought 3 meter 20 centimeter cloth for her shirt and 2 meter 5 centimeter cloth for her trouser. Find the total amount of length of cloth bought by her. So first we will see length of cloth for shirt. So length of cloth for shirt is equal to, it is given here, it is 3 meter 20 centimeter. Here it is given in 3 meter and 20 centimeter. So we need to convert it into meter. So it will be, when we convert it, it will be 3.20 meter. So in the same way, length of cloth for trouser, length of cloth for trouser is equal to, here it is given 2 meter 5 centimeter. So 2 meter 5 centimeter, then it will be 2.05 meter. 2.05 meter. So now we have to find out the total length of cloth. So therefore we can say that total length of cloth bought is equal to 3.20 meter plus 2.05 meter, which is equal to, here we can add it, 3.20 plus 2.05, which is equal to 525. So 5.25 meter, 5.25 meter. So we can say that the total length of cloth bought by her is 5.25 meter. Total length of cloth bought by her is 5.25 meter. Now let us see question numbers, last question, that is question number 7. In question number 7 it is given that Ravi purchased 5 kg and 400 gram of rice, 2 kg and 20 gram of sugar, 10 kg and 850 gram of flour. Find the total weight of his purchase. So here we can say weight of rice. First it is rice is given, so weight of rice it is given 5 kg 400 gram. Weight of rice it is given 5 kg 400 gram, which will be equal to 5.400 kg, 5.4000 kg. Then again it is given weight of rice, then weight of sugar is equal to 2 kg 20 gram. So this will be equal to 2 kg 20 gram, 2.020 kg, 2.020 kg. Then weight of floor is also given. Weight of floor is equal to 10 kg 850 gram, which is equal to 10.850 kg. Now we need to find out the total weight. So therefore total weight is equal to 5.400 kg plus 2.020 kg plus 10.850 kg, which is equal to, now here we can plus it, 5.400 plus 2.020 plus 10.850, 0 here, 7, 4 plus 8 12, 5 plus 1 6 plus 2 8 and 1, so which is equal to 18.270 kg. So we can write, so the total weight of his purchase is 18.270 kg. So the total weight of his purchase is 18.270 kg. So here we end our exercise 8.5. The rest of the question is your homework. Thank you.